Bro! Alright, I picked up 150 of these iPhone 4s for just $616. Let's open it up. And by the way, this was over 50 pounds. And this thing took forever for me to move. Like, it's that heavy. Okay. And holy crap. Bro, there's boxes of these 4s. Yo! Let me get all this out. Bro. Yo, and there's even more. Casings and just stacks. This is insane. 150 of them? And guys, this is gonna take a lot of work to go through. So, I'm gonna have the YouTube video posted on my channel. Link in bio or just search up this. This is gonna take a while.